Most important is Bhagwan Gopinath Ji. Bhagwan Gopinath Ji himself came during the militancy of 1990 and showed the path during Kargil war and during militancy to the Kashmiri Pandits. So that's the importance of Bhagwan Gopinath Ji. Bhagwan Gopinath Ji is so jai Ho.
Switch off your mobile and Param Shanti.
So ladies and gentlemen, we are now in Khariyar. You just see the condition of the all Kashmiri Pandit houses. This is Jhelum flowing right in Khariyar, and then you can just see that this is Bhagwan Gopinath Ji ashram in Khariyar. Very important. And then of course this is, this is Gauri Shankar Mandir and Khariyar, of course. This is Gopinath Ji ashram, and then of course I'll just show you very fast. I'll go up and show you the Paramdam, inside, but then he has kept it. This is the Bhagwan Gopinath Ji ashram. This is Bhagwan Gopinath Ji Mandir. God bless Bhagwan Gopinath Ji. Jai ho Bhagwan Gopinath Ji ki jai. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is what is Khariyar Gopinath Ji, Bhagwan Gopinath Ji ashram. Good. God bless. That is Khariyar Gopinath Ji. Hey, you कुछ मारा bridge छो? ये हाफ कदल सुई new हाफ कदल ना? New bridge हाफ कदल. And see the condition, of the houses around. Across the road you have seen it, and across the road this is Jhelum, and then the house is here in a very bad condition in the Havakadal area. God bless. Jai Ho Mata ki jai. Jai Mata. Namaskar Mare. Thank you, sir. Oh, I'm going out now. Out. I'm going out. Khariyar, and of course, finally, Chamara, you want to get Thank you, sir. God bless. You see, this is the place. Oh, thank you. God bless.
Then we'll
Walk. We can walk that place. Yeah, of course. No problem. ये गए ना ये कुछ वाची से ना गणपतियार की थी का सान गणपतियार चु खरियारस में ऐसा ही हम गोपीनाथ जी पान रोजान आते हैं
गली में
मकान में जोत मकान में आदवर चलो लेट हिम कम ये मारा पैदल है पता मारा ना गाड़ी थे मैंने आती हम यार इट्स 5 minutes अच्छा कैमरा तो वन कि भाई कि अत मज गोपीनाथ जी अत मज भगवान गोपीनाथ जी रोजान अत गली मज रोजान आई नो ही वाज अ गॉड ही वाज गॉडली पर्सन ऑफ कोर्स huh
1968
he he attained nirvana
I remember as a small child I never seen his funeral procession.
अच्छा really actually you know that कि my grandfather also was with him अच्छा यम छ पर यम छ कशिर यम सच of course नमस्कार this is Nanvai of course you know ladies and gentlemen this is Ganpatiyar gullies very important we are trying to trace our roots and walk down the memory lane hundreds of years so just see that this is also very important I used to just go to Tsarangu's house and my brother my dear friend Rajesh Tsarangu, Ajay Tsarangu and all those people and his father great man Autakshan Tsarangu and mother so great Rajni Tsarangu, Gitaji Tsarangu and then of course you know my Pufas also Pufas you just see that now you are entering that this very Ashok Raru also the greats are great so great Magar icha same he might have sold it out maybe hey namaskar mara namaskar Ganesh ji Mandir Ganpatiyar oh great it's completely protected
सर आप वीडियो यहाँ पे
नहीं ले सकते हैं फोटो अंदर ले सकते हैं क्या
वर्दी बुलक यो मिच चाला